In the previous video, we calculated the Schmidt number and got a value of 407. Oftentimes we want to double check that answer, and so we use the order of magnitude analysis. We write every number as a one significant figure and in scientific notation without the units. So the Schmidt number then is approximately equal to, and I'm going to write it as a picket fence here, the viscosity was 1.1 times 10 to the minus third, so I write just 1 times 10 to the minus third. No units. We've already established that they cancel. Actually, writing the 1 is optional. You don't need to do that, actually. 62.4 was the density, and we'll write that as 6 times 10 to the first. It's approximately 60. Then we write the diffusivity was 2.7 times 10 to the minus fifth. So I'll write that as 3 times 10 to the minus fifth. The conversion of newtons, pascals being newtons per square meter, that was just had a value of 1, so we don't write anything there. G sub c had a value of 1. Newton is a kilogram meter per second squared. No values there. Just a value of 1. The next thing that has a value is 2.2 pound mass per kilograms. So we'll just write 2. We could write 2 times 10 to the 0 power, but that's not really necessary. The conversion of cubic meters to cubic feet was 35.3 cubic feet per cubic meter. We'll write that as 4 times 10 to the first power. In other words, approximately 40. And let's see what else we have here. We just have one more, and that was the conversion of square centimeters to square meters. And so that was 10 to the fourth. So I'm going to erase the rest of this line that we don't really need. Now, this then can be calculated virtually without doing any calculations with the calculator. So first of all, take care of the powers of 10. So we have 10 to the fourth on the top here and 10 to the minus third. So that just becomes 10. I'll cancel those. Let me choose a different pen color here. So I'm taking 10 to the fourth times 10 to the minus third. That's just 10. And then we have a 10 at the bottom. So we'll cancel that with this one. And so now we've got 10 to the minus fifth here and 10 to the first power. So this will be 10 to the minus fourth. Write that there. That cancels. So we have some numbers over 10 to the minus fourth. Now the 2 cancels really nicely with the 4, for instance. So we have 2 left here. And that's 6. That's times 6, which is 1 over 40, roughly 0.025, and then times 1 over 10 to the minus fourth is 10 to the fourth. And that is roughly 250, or using one significant figure, I'll round that up to 300. You can compare that to our previously calculated value of 407, and this confirms, that's close enough, that confirms that the 407 is likely a correct answer.